So you're actually facing a problem with your withdrawal on Poppo Live. Now let's take for instance you've actually placed a withdrawal and you're yet to receive it on your bank account, or you are trying to receive money but you haven't actually received it yet on your Poppo Live account. In this video I'm going to be showing you or helping you on fixing that. So guys, don't waste much of your time, let's dive right into the video and fix it once and for all. So right here is the home page on my Poppo Live app. At the bottom of the screen you can see the profile icon right there. You can go ahead and go to your profile just like this. So right here in your profile you can see where it says help. You can see the help option right here. When you scroll down you're going to see help option. Go ahead and click on it. So when you do that, looking here, you can see where it says I didn't receive salary after making withdrawal. What should I do? You can go ahead and expand that section. Now this is actually going to help you to fix this problem you are facing on Poppo Live. Now it says here the first instruction is that you should wait for 24 to 48 hours. That is to say that you should wait for at least 1 day to 2 days before laying a complaint that you've not actually received your money on your bank account. Now, if after waiting for 24 to 48 hours, yet you haven't actually received your money on your bank account, then you can actually go to this place on your Poppo Live. And the second instruction right here says, if your withdrawal order shows successful, but you did not receive the salary, please send message to help. Then our related staff will check your issue further. So right here, this is what you need to do. So if you are facing this issue, you're waiting for your salary to be delivered into your bank account, you haven't received the payment yet, you can go ahead and click on my feedback. You can see that at the bottom of the screen, right here on the screen right here. So if you've actually placed a withdrawal and you're yet to receive it on your bank account, looking right here on the screen, you can see where it says my feedback. You can see that at the bottom of the screen. So when you click on that, just like this, see, I'm going to actually click on questioning. You can see that at the bottom of the screen. So right here I'm going to click on report complaint. You can see that right here at the top. So when you click on report complaint, the next step you need to take here is to go ahead and click on order report orders. Then go ahead and input your ID here. You can go to your profile and copy your ID. So right here you need to simply explain to Poppo Live politely that you've actually placed a withdrawal of your salary and you are yet to receive it on your bank account, that they should actually help you fix it. You need to politely write that in a short text right here. After writing that, looking at the bottom, you can see the submit button. If you have a screenshot of what you're actually trying to say, you can as well add it right here where you can see the camera icon. Now after adding it, click on submit and wait for some hours and Poppo Live is going to give you a feedback. That is the only way you can actually fix this withdrawal issue if you are facing this type of issue on your Poppo Live. Alright guys, we've come to the very end of this video. Now I hope you found this video helpful. Tell me in the comment section if you found this helpful, and tell me as well if you are still having any problem related to this video, and tell me if you really want me to make any other topics for you concerning Poppo Live or any other app. I wouldn't hesitate to give you a feedback as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.